creating your first Facebook ad campaign. Hey there everyone, now that you know how to navigate the Ads Manager, it is time for you to learn how to use it to create your first Facebook ad campaign. It is easier than you might think, and you'll simply have to start by going to the Ads Manager dashboard like we showed you in the previous video. So click on the menu button on top and then click on the Create Ads option to load the Ads Manager. Once in the Ads Manager, you will be able to create a new campaign or to use existing campaign. For this example case, we are going to create a new campaign from scratch, as this is the first step of the ad creation process. To create a new campaign, you have to start by selecting your marketing objective. Your marketing objective is what you want to generate as a result of running a Facebook ad campaign. The marketing objectives available on the Ads Manager include brand awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages, conversions, catalog sales, and store visits. For this example case, we are going to select reach as our marketing objective, which will allow us to show our ad to as many people as possible within our budget. Once you select your objective, you will simply have to scroll down and to name your new ad campaign in the campaign name field, and then to click on the Set Up Ad Account button. On the next page, you will simply have to specify your account country, your currency, and your time zone if you haven't done so already. Click on Continue when you finish setting up this info. Next up, you will be taken to the Ad Set section, where you will have to select the page that you will use to run your ads from, to set up your audience, your ad placements, your budget, and your schedule. Start by naming your new ad set in the Ad Set Name field. In the Page section, you will have to select the Facebook page that you want to promote. Let's now move to the Audience section. Here, you will have the options to either create new audience or to use a saved audience. For this example case, we are going to show you how to set up an audience from scratch. So we will select the Create New Audience option. Start by selecting your target locations in the Locations section. Here you can simply type the name of your target location in the text field above the map and to click on it to select it. You can do so for as many locations as you would like to target with your ad set. You can hyper-target your selected locations by clicking on the Locations drop-down menu and selecting whether to target everyone in this location, people who live in this location, people recently in this location, or people traveling to this location. Now in the Age section, you can select the base age and a top age of your target audience. In the Gender section, you can select to either target men, women, or all. In the Languages field, you can browse and select your target languages. In the Detailed Targeting section, you can include or exclude people based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. In the Connection section, you can select to reach Facebook users according to the type of connection that they have with your page, such as people who like your page or friends of people who like your page. As a final step, you can click on the Save Audience button to save this audience setup so you can use it later. Let's now move to the Placement section. Here you can select between the Automatic Placements option or Edit Placements option. If you select the Automatic Placements option, your ads will be served to all possible types of users on all types of devices across multiple networks that include Instagram and the Audience Network. But if you want to select where and whom to show your ads to, you'll have to select the Edit Placements option. For this example case, we are going to select this option to show you how to edit your target placements. For this example, we are going to select all devices in the Device Types menu, and then we are going to deselect the Audience Network as well as the Messenger options. Now in the Budget and Schedule section, you will have to set up a budget as well as a schedule for this campaign. In Budget, you can either select a daily budget if you want to spend a specific amount on a daily basis, or you can select Lifetime Budget if you prefer to spread your ad spend over a specific period of time, or until the budget is depleted. As a general rule, you should start advertising on a budget of $5 a day, and then to increase that amount in $5 increments once you start seeing positive results. In Schedule, you can select the Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today option to run your ads until you decide to stop them. Or you can select the Set a Start Date and an End Date option to schedule when your ads start running. For this example case, we are going to select the Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today option to test our new ad campaign for a week. Once you've finished setting up your budget and schedule, click on Continue. Next up, you will have to edit your ad creative. As you can see here, the ad identity is already set because we selected the page that we are going to promote on a previous step. But you can always use the change option to select a different page if you need to. Let's move to the format section. Here you will be able to select how your ad looks. The ad formats available include the carousel format, the single image format, the single video format, and the slideshow format. For this example case, we are going to select the single image format. Then we are going to click on the Upload Images button to upload an image for our ad. You can also click on the Browse Library button to select an image from your image library, or to click on the Free Stock Images button to select your image from a library of free stock images. Let's now move to the text section. Here, you will add your ad copy, your ad's title, and your landing page URL. Let's start on the text field. Here we are simply going to type our ad copy. Once you enter your copy, make sure to check the Add a Website URL option, which will allow you to add a landing page URL to your ad. So in the website URL field, enter your site's or landing page's URL. In the headline field, you have to enter a headline for your ad. In our case, we're going to simply enter the name of our business. Lastly, you can use the newsfeed link description to either describe your offer or to add a text call to action in your ad. Now select an option from the call to action menu to add a call to action button to your ad. There are several types of call to action buttons available, so make sure to pick one that suits your offer well. Or you can simply select the No Button option if you don't want to add a call to action button to your ad. You can preview your ad on the Ad Preview section to the right. Here you will be able to see how your ads will look on different placements, including the mobile newsfeed and the desktop newsfeed. Finally, you will have to click on the Confirm button to submit your ads for approval. Your ads will start running once they are approved. And that is it.